In this video we are going to see reverse a number. So let us take a one number. So let it be 3, 2, 1. Reverse of this number is nothing but 1, 2, 3. So I will explain you the logic. Later we will fill the code. Okay. Now let us store this number in one variable. So let it be int n. Okay. Now what I am going to do, like I am taking one another variable like int reverse. Let it be rev, which is equals to reverse. Okay. So reverse is equals to, I am assigning 0. Okay. What I am going to do, like I am taking the code is starting here. So I am taking one another variable. Let it be last digit ld, which is equals to n percentile 10. So n percentile 10. Observe carefully. N percentile 10 means which will give the remainder. So when 10 divided with 3, 2, 1, right? What will be the remainder? Remainder will be, so 32 equals to 320, right? We will get the remainder as 1. So that 1 is going to store into this, right? Now again reverse, which is equals to reverse into 10 plus last digit. Reverse, the reverse, first what the value stored in the reverse? 0, right? 0 into 10, which is like a 0. 0 plus last digit, which is like a 1. Okay. Now in the reverse variable we have got the 1. Okay. Again what I am doing is like n is equals to n by 10. Okay. N is equals to n by 10 means we are going to perform this thing. What we will get? We will get the 32. Now n becomes 32. Okay. Again we need to, only in the reverse we got the 1. What we got here? We got the 1. Okay. So we need to get the 2 and 3, right? Like 2 and 3 we need to get again. So we need to use this code again, right? We need to use this code multiple times. So what we are doing? We are keeping this over into one loop. So it will accept the condition. Okay. While loop open, while loop close. You can use some another loops also, like do while, for your wish. Okay. Now in the second iteration, like this is for first iteration, right? Now for second iteration, first it will comes to the this thing, right? Now again in the last digit we will get the this like what we have in the n, we have 32, right? N like 32 when divided by 10, 3 is 30, remainder is 2. Last digit we will getting the 2. Now in the reverse what we have? We have 1, right? 1 into 10. 1 into 10 plus last digit, right? Which is like 12. So this is going to store in the reverse variable. Okay. Now reverse becomes the 12. Okay. We got the 2 also. Now n is going to update. In the n it is going to store the quotient 3. Okay. So now we got 1 and 2. We are left over with the 3, right? We are left over for the 3. Now let us move for the third iteration. So in the third iteration, like when 3 is divided with the 10, obviously here we 0, right? Quotient is 0. Directly 3 has the remainder, right? Now in the last digit we are going to get the remainder 3, and reverse is equals to like 12 into 10, like 120 plus last digit 123. Okay. Now n like 3 by 10, which is equals to 0. So n is equals to 0. Now further we no need of doing this, like we already get 1, 2, 3, right? So until this we need to run. So up to where we need to run? We need to run when n not equals to 0, right? When n is equals to 0, then we need to stop this loop. Okay. While n is not equals to 0, till to that we need to run this program. Here First let us take the same value, like, so here int n equals to 3. Now take the while, open the while and close the while. Here int last digit equals to n percentile 10, right? So we need a help of another variable to store the reverse value, which is like int reverse, which is equals to 0. Okay, here reverse is equals to reverse by reverse into 10 plus last digit. Now we need to update the n value. This is nothing but the updating of n value. So till to where we need to run? We need to run when n not equals to 0 or when n greater than 0. Okay, now print the reverse value. So where our final answer is going to store in the reverse variable, right? We need to store, or like we need to print this reverse variable only when I run this program. Obviously you can check. So here we are getting 3 only, where we done the mistake. Here we need to give 3 to 1, right? So 3 to 1. So now when I run this code, here you can see we are getting 1 to 3, right? So we are getting the reverse of the 3 to 1, like 1 to 3. Now let us make it to the scanner program. Let us take the input from user end, right? So for the scanners we must need this 2 statements, right? Now here I am indicating the user like this, like enter the number. So this is the integer type of number, right? So you need to use the next int method. Now again when I run this, here it is asking for enter the number. First let us verify with the 3 to 1 only. Now when I press enter, it is showing the 1 to 3. Okay, now again when I run the program, let us verify with one other number, like 98765. Okay, we need to get the number in the reverse order, like 56189, right? So let us check once. So this code is working properly. Now let us verify with the second condition, like when n greater than 0, with the second condition also. Now when I run this, let us take the 3 to 1 only. Now when I press enter, it is giving the same result. So you may use any one of the condition to